What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today is the day, hopefully, as long as everything is going good. We also got, you guys know, for our emissions intact tuning, we got the magic cable here. This is the unlock cable right here. You'll have to use this also for a 2018 and a 19. So we're gonna install this fancy dancy cable. A lot of you guys ask me, does it have to stay in? No, it does not have to stay in. But if you do want to change any of the tuning and stuff like that, then yeah, you have to reinstall it. So for you guys that, you know, if it's your truck, I would just leave it in and not take it out. But you know, that's your call. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna hook this thing up to the computer, download the files on here, and well, see what happens to this white girl if she starts up and if she starts throwing codes and stuff. Well, let's find out. Alright guys, so now that we have downloaded the file, plug it in. You're going to switch cable, so the one that is plugged in your computer here, you're going to unplug it now after you've downloaded everything, and you got to get the OBD2 one so you can start the download. Now before you download on a 2019 RAM, you got to install the unlock cable. But between the 18 and the 19, well, clearly here, and then you can see here, we are going to download our intact, you see there, intact file, so intact tuning. That here is your intact tune and manual. All right guys, I pulled the OBD2 out so you can see it a little more clearly and the colors. So, real quick on an 18, you're going to put the yellow in the yellow and the brown in the brown. You will get directions. It's going to be pin 6 and 14. They are numbered. It's going to be like this. I don't know if you can see the numbers. There you go, maybe. All right, well, so 6 is this last one. So on an 18, you're going to put the brown in the brown and the yellow in the yellow. On the 19 RAM, what we're working on today is the yellow one right there is going to go into pin number 6. And the brown one, where this yellow is pin 14, the brown is going to go in there. So you're just going to swap them on the 19s. So we got to do that and then plug this Majingus bobber in so it can take our emissions intact tuning so we can burn extremely clean. Also guys, I forgot to mention on 18 and 19, so we got one wire in. So before, when you pop these out, I get some comments from you guys saying, you know, I'm pulling the pin up, Eddie, it's not moving, it's not coming out. You have to take these, see this little gray, these plastic pieces, you got to pop those up. And what I do, here, let me see if I can put the camera down. Hold on one sec. If I can show you guys real quick, I'll put this camera down and try this. So I just take a little pick. Oh, there goes my light. Oh, this is so difficult. I need a cameraman. Who wants to be my cameraman? So I take this pick and I just, see these two tabs? I just push down on the tab and push up. And it pops up that little lip, just like that. That's all you need. Okay guys, so you see there now that we have the wires disconnected. We have these two connected. Now, this is going to go right over here. This is probably, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, so you're going to have, see this green box up there? So you have 3 rows, okay? Now, let's get the zoom going on this thing. Hold on. There we go. Okay. So in the middle row, there's going to be 2 slots. Oh, great. Here we go. I lost it. Come on. Come back. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. This camera sucks. Okay, so I got a little zoom for you guys. Hopefully, I'm losing you. I'm losing you. All right, well, to make it easy, so the middle slot, there we go. You're gonna have, I think there's 2 empty rows. It's going to be the bottom one. All right, guys. So, if you're wondering what these are for, so I wanted to see if it was easier to get to the switch from here. So I popped this cover off, but it wasn't. There's a big metal plate. So don't worry about these. X-nay these. And remember, guys, don't use like flathead screwdrivers. Go get these little plastic GPs. They're on Amazon, so you don't scratch your truck. But so unlock cable's done, installed. OBD2 is back in its place right over there. Probably can't see it because there's no light, but it's done. So, well, now we got to turn the key on in the on position, run position. There you go. Now, when doing this, guys, and don't ask me why, but the door has to stay open. Again, don't ask me why. But now all you do is plug this bad boy in. Just where are we at here? Oh, the wrong way. All right, plug in the OBD2. Bam. Now, you'll know you have power because it will turn on. So now we go to the tuning tool right there. We're going to program full, not program cal. It used to be cal, there's no more cal. Now it's program full. Now we go here, shift on the fly, emissions intact tuning. Catch my drift? All right, and okay, here we go. And we got an error. All right, now we got to figure out why we got an error code. Go back to the drawing board. Okay guys, so that error code came up because we were not on the right version. So I had to go back, update it, re-put the file on, and now, well, you can see we are flashing. So stay tuned. Okay, so after about, I would say that was about 12 minutes. It looks like, well, we'll see if she says complete. Oh, we got some shenanigans going on here. Block 6 finish. Yeah, we're on the block, baby. Block 6 finish, boy. Whatever that means. All right, guys, it is all done and complete. So now let's unplug it and make sure it'll start it up. Make sure we got no check engine lights on. We don't have anything like that. And if you're, I know you guys are all wondering, look, see, it is all emissions intact. So you see the DPF, see the cat. Everything is still there, guys. It is all intact. So we're gonna start her on up here, and well, see what happens if we get any check engine lights on or anything. Okay, so she starts. All right, well, she started up. Everything looks good. See, she's still nice and quiet. Okay, well, now we gotta go take her for a spin. Okay guys, so a quick update. It is now the following day. Today is Monday. You guys will probably be watching this Tuesday or Wednesday, whenever I get it uploaded. But, so now we got a little problem. So, with these tunes, so after I drove it about, I want to say, maybe 15 miles, well, maybe less, I noticed it was acting funny. It's just, the truck's not running right, and I can tell. Now, so if you guys remember with the tunes, this is a shift on the fly tune. Now, I have not installed the switch because the switch for this does not come in, I don't think until like Tuesday or Wednesday. According to the company, I called the company and they said, yes, do not drive this thing, nor do the relearn on this thing without the switch. Because what it does is when you put this tune in and it has pretty much no switch in it, it takes you to just the highest level tune, and that's a big no-no for the relearn process according to them. So currently right now the truck is not there. She's just been sitting in the garage today. I did not drive her. I don't want to drive her like this, so they said I got to get the switch and it'll fix this problem. Now if I get the switch and it's still not running right and it's still, you know, driving the way it is, we're going to go with another company. Now, I'm not going to say the company name. I'm not going to say who I'm going with. As you guys know that have been DMing me, I cannot let you guys know. The company does not want me to say anything. But I will keep you updated, and I will let you guys know what's going on. Hopefully, you know, the switch will fix it. Me personally, I have never driven a, you know, shift on the fly tune with a truck without a switch, so I don't know if this is normal. I don't know if it's not normal, but this company has a very, very good rep. A lot of you guys in the comment section actually recommended this company to me. So if the switch does not work, I'd be very, very surprised. But I also, when I spoke with the company, they said, no, Eddie, something's going on. We promise we'll get this thing good and perfect for you. So that's a quick update for you guys as of, the following day. So as of right now, she's just going to sit in the garage for another day or two until the switch comes in and we get this thing installed. And then when we do get the switch in, I'm going to install the switch, and then I have to re-download the file so the truck, according to them, pretty much reflashes and I can start the relearn process on the transmission. But that's all I got for you guys. Stay tuned. I will update you guys on temperatures, on drivability, on how this thing feels, just in general, everything. So update right now, I'm not in love with it. I don't like it. It's just not there yet, but it is not complete. Technically, it's not complete yet. The truck is not done. The DPF back kit is done. The snorkel, the tubage, everything under the hood, it's all done. The canooters and everything, those are all good. So one more step is a switch, and then I will give you guys the final opinion on what's going on with this thing. So hold off now, guys. Just take a chill and stay tuned. I will let you know. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.